Good morning, peanuts. Today we got the trailer hooked up and we're going to go get some parts cars. I bought three: a VZ, a VY and a VX, I believe. Didn't really care. There's heaps of parts, heaps of panels. Yeah, $600, a lot. So we'll go get them and then we'll go through them. Alright, see you there. Alright, I'm home, got the three cars back. We'll start having a look at these buckets of shit. As you can see, this one's been chopped up, engine box gone, front guard gone, a couple of decent original wheels. Mainly grabbed this one for the doors. Same thing I'm going to use on this. Does have a nice police aware sticker on it. Interior is pretty nice, so I'll probably sell that off. Missing fuel cap. I think all three of them are. Yeah, it's got a tow bar on it. Only problem is it's not got all four wheels, which would have been good. As you can see, it's anything that's really worth anything against the doors. Alright, that's car number one. Car number two is a VY. Front bumper is all messed up. We'll fix that later. I was told it was a BA bonnet, but that actually looks VE. I'm pretty sure that's VE bonnet as well with the deal. Anyone wants it, let me know. Damn sure that's a VE. Anyway, these doors are okay. I'm going to put the black doors on this one. Nice dent. Interior's pretty shitty. Dash is there, that's all I care about. Rear window is gone, boot lid is there. Tail light and bumpers gone. Some shitty mags on it and some steelies. These doors are toast. Guards are alright, which is the main thing. This rear guard's good. So we'll fuck the doors off. And all the interior. I'm actually going to keep this one. I got planned for this one. I've got a motor sitting at a friend's place that I've organised to buy off him, which is pretty cool. It's a V12 BMW 5.4 litre, so we're going to play with something different and I'm going to chuck it in this car. Good thing is about these two, the third car is a VZ. They've got mismatched rear quarters that are dented, which is good because I actually picked these. I'm going to actually make fiberglass molds for wide body on the rear and maybe wide body on the front. I haven't decided on the front yet, but these two doors are mine. Apparently the other two doors are sold to someone that we both know, so I'll hang on to them for him. He only lives down the road, buys heaps of crap off me all the time. Someone started chopping the boot already, obviously to get to the fuel pump. But anyway, it's a Rattletech, engine's dead, gearbox is good apparently. This quarter is shagged. Like I said, these aren't my doors, but I'll see if old mate wants them. If not, I'll just buy them off him. So I don't have to take anything off. That mirror's good. I'm guessing that's driver's mirror. Some of the interior is missing, no biggie. I didn't realise the driver's seat's missing. Boot lid in the back with a spoiler, we'll just leave that on there. I'm actually thinking about, I'm going to keep this one as well. I'm actually thinking about having a second shell ready to go. So if anything happens to the other VY, my good VY, we'll just change everything over and we'll have body kit all sorted, gutted, radiator and all that kind of setup. I'm actually thinking about putting a 5.7 in it as well, and that can be my seat time car, just stock, and just thrash the absolute fuck out of it. So if anyone's got a 5.7, let me know. I would like one. If anyone's got a mint rear window, let me know. But we'll open this boot, see how many dead bodies are in it. Rear crash support and spiders. Yeah, spiders. More spiders. No struts. Yay. Oh, there's a knuckle there. Yeah. Oh, more junk that I don't need. Anyway. Cool beans. It's got a boot. Smooth boot, which is good. Rattle can. Plenty of slap. A couple of 20s. No problem is they're running VE tyres, 35 profile, and one's on the front, on the other side, which made my life hell getting this off the friggin' trailer, because it's rubbing on the strut there and it's binding. Made it a bit difficult. I need mirrors. I got some, but I only got one. That needs one. That needs one. Yeah, I'll see if I can fix them. But that's my adventure for today. I got some footage from the guy I bought them off, Connor. Known Connor for quite a bit now, which is good. Been wheeling and dealing tyres and stuff for a bit. So yeah. Anyone needs any interior parts, let me know before I get rid of them all. Most of them will probably go in the VX and go off to the bin. And I would like to get that out. Yeah. Tank's already pulled out of that. That saves me a headache. We got a Raceworks fuel cell with in-tank fuel pumps, like I do, like I like doing. Yeah. Let's see if I can lift this up without cracking the fucking windscreen. Ecotech's gone. Brakes are still there, which is good. Not too bad. I definitely think that's VE. Oh. No, that is Ford. Yeah. That is a Ford bonnet. If anyone wants it, let me know. Let's go in the scrap heap. This part here always throws me, because the VEs do a similar thing. Anyway, we'll unload that bucket of crap and I'm going to call it a day. Actually no, I can't. I've got to load the VY up. It's off to the doctors. If anyone wants any parts, leave a comment. If not, if you want this whole bloody thing, let me know. I'll chuck in the VY doors, the bad ones that I'm not using. Keep the good ones for the spares. Yeah. All these 6 cars, all buckets of crap. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.